Hello everyone and welcome back. Choosing between Dukascopy and Wise, let's break down which one fits your needs. Dukascopy is a Swiss bank offering multi-currency accounts with 24 currencies. You get real Swiss banking with government deposit protection up to 100,000 Swiss francs. It's built for trading and investing with access to stocks, crypto, and Forex. Wise is a money transfer service with a multi-currency account. You can hold over 40 currencies and send money to over 160 countries. It's designed for everyday international payments, not investing. Here's where things get different. Dukascopy charges fees for most transfers. Sending money out costs between 2 to 25 euros depending on the method. Currency exchange has a 0.5% markup on top of the rate. There's also a €1 monthly fee if your balance is low. Wise keeps it simple. You pay a small percentage fee, usually between 0.35% and 1.5% depending on the currencies. There's no monthly fees, no hidden costs, and what you see is what you pay. Wise uses the real mid-market rate with no markup. That's the same rate you see on Google. Dukascopy adds 0.5% to 1% on top of the exchange rate, which adds up over time. Both offer debit cards, but they work differently. Dukascopy cards are prepaid, you need to load money onto them before spending, and physical cards only work with euros, dollars, pounds, and francs. Wise cards pull directly from your account balance and you can spend it in any of your 40 currencies with automatic conversion at the mid-market rate. Pick Dukascopy if you want a Swiss bank account for trading and investing. It's solid for people who need Swiss banking features and don't mind the fees. Choose Wise if you're spending money internationally, getting paid in different currencies, or traveling often. It's cheaper, faster, and easier for everyday money transfers. Bottom line, Wise wins for money transfers and low fees. Dukascopy wins if you need a full Swiss bank with investment options. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next one.